A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to mathematics class. Students, in the previous video, we briefly reviewed what we have learned earlier and learn more about algebraic expressions. Students, today we are going to solve exercise 12.1 based on the concept learned in the previous class. So, let's solve exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. Question number 1. Get the algebraic expressions in the following cases using variables, constants, and arithmetic operations. Students, in this question, we have to write algebraic expressions using numbers, variables, and arithmetic operations. Students, we know that when the word added or sum is given, we have to use plus sign. When the word subtraction is given, we have to use minus sign. When the word multiply or product or times is given, we can ignore multiply sign, and we know that multiply sign is ignored when a variable is multiplied by a constant. And if the word divided is given, we have to divide in the form of fraction, as we know that fraction is nothing, a special division. So, let us write the algebraic expressions for the given statement using variable, constant, and operators such as plus, minus, multiply, or divide. Sum number 1. Subtraction of z from y. Students, in this statement, the word subtraction is given to us. So, we have to use minus sign. So, let us write the expression for this statement using minus sign. Thus, the expression for this statement is y minus z. Students, note that if you will write z minus y, then you will get incorrect answer, as you have to subtract z and not y. Now, sum number 2. 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. Students, in this statement, we have to write 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. Students, so in order to write the algebraic expression for 1/2 of sum of unknown numbers or variables x and y, first of all, we have to find or write the sum of the variables x and y. Then we have to write the expression for 1/2 of sum of x and y. Students, we know that 1/2 is written in figure as 1/2. We also know that when the word sum is given, we have to add. So let us first add x and y and then write 1/2 of x and y and solve sum b. Thus, the expression for this statement is 1 upon 2 into x plus y or x plus y upon 2. Students, you can write either 1 upon 2 into x plus y or x plus y upon 2. Both are correct. Now, sum C. The numbers z multiplied by itself. Students, in this statement, we have to multiply variable z by z. Thus, multiplying z by z, we get z into z or z square. Thus, the expression for a given statement is z square. Now, sum D, 1/4 of the product of numbers P and Q. Students, in this question, we have to write 1/4 of the product of numbers P and Q. Students, so in order to write 1/4 of the product of variables or unknown numbers P and Q, first we have to multiply P and Q. As we know that when the word product is given, we have to multiply. Then we have to write 1/4 of P and Q. Thus, the expression for this statement is 1 upon 4 into PQ or PQ upon 4. Now, sum E. Numbers x and y both squared and added. Student, in this statement, first of all, we have to square both x and y. Then after, we have to add them. Thus, when x and y both squared, we get x square and y square. Then, adding y square to x square, we get x square plus y square. Thus, the expression for this statement is x square plus y square. Now, sum F, number 5, added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n. Students, try to understand this statement. In this statement, first of all, we have to find the product of unknown numbers m and n. Then we have to add 5 to the product of numbers m and n we obtained. Students, note that it is given to us that 5 added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n. So, we have to multiply mn by 3. Then we have to add 5 to the 3 times the product of numbers m and n. So let us first multiply mn by 3 and then add 5 to the product we obtain. Thus, multiplying mn by 3, we get 3mn, and adding 5 to 3mn, we get 3mn plus 5. Thus, the expression for a given statement is 3mn plus 5. Now, sum G. Product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. Let us first find the product of y and z. Then after subtract the product we obtain from 10. Thus multiplying z by y, we get yz. Now subtracting yz from 10, we get 10 minus yz. Thus the expression for a given statement is 10 minus yz. Now sum h. Let us first find the sum of a and b and also the product of a and b. Then after subtract the sum of a and b from the product of a and b we obtained. Thus adding b to a, we get a plus b, and multiplying b by a, we get ab. Now subtracting a plus b from ab, we get ab minus a plus b. Thus, the expression for this statement is ab minus a plus b.